Now in this video, we're going to look at the same data set, but instead of having the original data, now our number of siblings has been summarized for us. And we know 6 people have no siblings, 22 have 1, 12 have 2, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, what would be helpful here to find our 5-number summary, so let's just talk again about what our 5-number summary is. We have our min, we have our Q1, we have our median, we have our Q3, we have our max. So that's our 5-number summary. And so it's helpful to know what position all of our data points are in. So our first data point is a 0. So 1 through 6 are all zeros. And then, and this is automatically changing these to dates, we want just text. If you're having the same issue, you come up here and instead of general, which will automatically change it to something that it thinks you're putting in this case a date, we want to change these to text. Okay, so again, position 0 or 1 through 6 are zeros. And then 7 through 28 is going to give me all my 1s. And then 29 through 41, is that right? 41 is going to be, no, it's just 40, sorry. It's going to be 2s. And then 41 through 44, those are going to be my 4s. And then 45 through 47, or 45, 46, 47 is going to be my 4s. And then 48 and 49 are going to be my 2s. And then I have 1, 6. That's the 50th data set, or 50th point in my data set. So I have my 1 through 6. Okay, now we know halfway to 50 is 25. This is an even data set. There's 50 values. So between the 25th and the 26th value is where the median is going to be. Since 7 through 28 is in this bin right here, that means the 25th and the 26th data point are both 1s. And so my median is going to be a 1. So I'm just going to reference the cell that has the 1 in it, and I know my median is a 1. Now my minimum's easy. I just look at the smallest value here, and so I'm just going to select that one. My max is also easy. I'm going to look for the largest value. There it is. So for Q1, what I'm essentially doing is I'm finding the median for the first half of the data. So the first half of the data is 1 through 25. Half of 25 is 12 and a half. So it's actually, there's actually a value. The 13th value is actually the median for the first half of my data. Okay, so I have to find where the 13th value is here, the position 13. It's again in this same bin. And so that's why my Q1 and Q and median, also known as the second quartile, are the same. So now, the median for the top half of my data, so that would be between 26 and 50. There's 25 values there, 26 and 50. Again, it'd be 12 away from the median. So I need to find the 13th one away from the median. So 26 is number 1. So 13 away from that would be 29. So I need to find the 29th value. So the 29th value is right here. I can see it. So that's actually a 2. And so my Q3 is a 2. And then my max was a 6. And if you look back at how we did this automatically, we could always arrange this number, these numbers from smallest to biggest, and we can see that list out. So if I sort this from smallest to largest, you can see I have, if I'm looking for the middle value, that would be between 25 and 26, which I would average these two, and that gives me a 1. The 13th value is a 1, and then 13 past 25 is right here. Oop, is right here, and so that would be a 2. So visually you can see this laid out if we arrange these numbers in order. So that's what I'm trying to do here, is I'm just trying to find the position of all of them. And again, once I have these positions, I can easily find the IQR by taking the Q3 and subtracting Q1, and that gives me an IQR of 1. All right, I'll see you in the next video.